I'm Naneshwari Chidrawar. Welcome to my channel Anytime Maths. In this video, I'm covering very basic topic, easy to understand and important topic from the geometry point of view. Slope of a line. We all know line. If this is my Cartesian plane, x-axis and y-axis, I can draw a line like this or line like this, parallel to x-axis like this, parallel to y-axis, this is also line, passing through the origin. So there are many lines and each line has a slope and we denote slope by m. Now let's see what is this slope. In this Cartesian plane, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Here I am drawing one line, say line L. Now what is the slope of this line? Slope is what? As you can see, this line intersects x-axis. So it makes angle with the x-axis. The angle made by this line with the positive direction of x-axis measured anti-clockwise, this angle is called inclination of line. This angle is made by the line in the positive direction of x-axis measured anti-clockwise. This is nothing but inclination of the line. So slope of the line is nothing but tan theta. Tangent of this angle is nothing but slope of the line. Now you can see this theta value can take the values from 0 degree to 180 degree. Okay. Now slope of this is tan theta. So slope of x-axis is, see, x-axis means this angle theta is 0 degree. So slope of x-axis is tan 0. Tan 0 is nothing but 0. Slope of x-axis is 0. Let's find out slope of y-axis. This line is making 90 degree with the positive x-axis. So slope of this line is tan 90 degree. Tan 90 is infinity. So slope of y-axis is infinity, undefined. In this plane, I am going to draw few lines. Let's find out slope of those lines. My first line is like this. This line is making an angle of 135 degree with the positive x-axis. Now what is this? What is the slope of this line? Tan 135. Tan 135 means second quadrant. 135 is in second quadrant. So slope is minus 1. Now if I draw a line like this, this line is making an angle of 30 degree with the positive x direction. So slope of this line is tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Slope of this line is 1 by root 3. If I draw a line like this, parallel to y-axis, then what is the slope? See, if I extend this line is making 90 degree with the positive x-axis. So slope of this line is tan 90. Tan 90 means infinity. Slope of y-axis is also infinity and slope of the line which is parallel to y-axis is also infinity. Similarly, let's find out the slope of a line which is parallel to x-axis. this line is parallel to x-axis. So angle made by this line with the positive x-axis is 0 degree. So slope is tan 0. Means slope of this line is 0. So slope of the x-axis is 0 and slope of the lines parallel to x-axis, anywhere parallel to x-axis, is also 0. Here this line AB, is making an angle theta with the positive x-axis. So slope of this line is tan theta. Okay, but if I don't know this angle theta, then how to find slope of this line? Only information I have is two coordinates on this line. Point A coordinates are x1, y1, point B coordinates are x2, y2. Then how to find slope of this line? See, we know slope is nothing but tan theta. And if this is theta, then what is tan theta we have to find. Here I am drawing one right angle triangle with this AB side. Okay, so this is the point P. So what are the coordinates of this point P? AP line is parallel to x-axis. So the y coordinate is same as A's y coordinate. So this is y1. Now x coordinate for this point. BP line is parallel to y-axis. So x coordinate is same as B's x coordinate. That means x2. So point P is x2, y1. Now this AP length is nothing but delta x, x2 minus x1, and BP length is nothing but delta y, y2 minus y1. Now in this triangle APB, if this angle is theta, then this angle is also theta. So slope is nothing but tan theta. With respect to this triangle, tan theta is opposite side upon adjacent side. So this is BP upon AP. BP means y2 minus y1 upon AP is x2 minus x1. So this is the slope of the line. If you don't know the angle and if you know only 2 points on the line, then slope of the line is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Now let's see what is the significance of slope of line. If slope of line is positive, slope is positive means tan theta is positive, means theta is between 0 to 90 degree. Okay, this much information we have. Means positive slope lines are always like this, acute angle lines. See, this line is making acute angle with x-axis. Any line like this. These lines are having slope positive. Slope is negative. Means what? Tan theta is negative. Means theta value is between 90 degree and 180 degree. Obtuse angle means a line is making obtuse angle with the positive x-axis. So all negative slope lines are like this. This line is also making obtuse angle. Okay, so positive slope means line are inclined towards x-axis, which makes less than 90 degree angle with x-axis. slope is negative means this line is inclined towards negative x-axis. Means it is making obtuse angle with positive x-axis. Now let's solve few problems. Here we need to find the slope of the line. Slope of the line passing through these 2 points. Okay. So what is our formula? Slope is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Consider these points coordinates as x1, y1 and these are x2, y2. So my y2 minus y1 is 4 minus 2 divided by x2 minus x1 minus 1 minus 3. So this is 6 divided by minus 4. This is nothing but minus 3 by 2 is the slope. Okay. Minus 3 by 2 negative is the slope. Means nature of the line is something like this. Not like this. This line, my negative slope means it is making obtuse angle with the positive x-axis. In this question, what we have to do? We need to find the angle between x-axis and line joining these 2 points. Okay, let's say this is my x-axis and line joining 3, minus 1. 3, minus 1 is somewhere here and 4, minus 2 is here. So line joining these 2 points. We need to find angle between x-axis and this line. So that means we need to find this angle. So indirectly here we need to find the slope of this line and then we can find the angle. Let's find out slope here. Slope is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Let's substitute these numbers here. y2 minus y1 minus 2 minus of minus 1 upon x2 minus x1 4 minus 3. This is minus 1 divided by 1. So slope is minus 1. Slope means tan theta is minus 1. So my theta value is 135. See, slope is negative. So we got obtuse angle greater than 90 degree. This is the line. Thank you students. Hope you like this concept and enjoyed this video.